Good morning. Myself Rajul Alsoni, PGT Biology, St. Joseph School, Tonk. Today we will discuss about the structure of leaf. At 10th standard, our topic is cross section of leaf. Cross section of leaf. Look here, these are the leaves with a small branch. These are the branches and these are the leaf. You can easily observe that these are dark in color, dark green color from here. That is surface which faces towards the sunlight. Sunlight direct यहाँ पे आती है. This face is dark green in color. Okay. Now I am oppose the leaf. Now look here. Look, these are green also, but they are light in green color. It means leaf have two surface of dicot plants. Dicot plants क्या होते हैं अभी अपन फर्दर डिस्कस करेंगे. Leaf of dicot plants have two surface. One surface which face towards sunlight, one surface which remains in shadow of sunlight. The upper surface is dark green and lower surface is light green. Why? That is the first question arises here. Green color of leaf are depends on pigments of green color. These green color pigments are known as chloroplast. Chloroplast is a big structure which contain a green color pigment known as chlorophyll. So what is the name of green color pigment of a leaf? Answer is chlorophyll is green color pigment which is situated inside the chloroplast bearing a leaf. Okay. Upper surface dark green, lower surface light green. Upper surface of leaf is dark green. Why? Due to more amount of chlorophyll. Lower surface of leaf is light green due to low amount of chlorophyll. That's okay. तो हमारा यह कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया है. अब आगे की बात करते हैं. We will put some dots, green dots. CBSE exam has been asked a question, what are the name of green dots in a leaf section? Answer, chlorophyll. So leaves are green in color due to presence of dotted structures known as chlorophyll, which gives green color to the leaf. Now we can cut the leaf. This leaf can be cut in this manner. After it, we will take a shaving blade and pick a small slice of this leaf. In this leaf, under a microscope, we will observe two surface, upper and lower. Look here, upper surface and lower surface. We will put upper and lower surface in this manner. Upper surface, lower surface. Be easy. After it, we will plot some cells on this surface. Now these two surface is known as upper epidermis and lower epidermis. Below the upper epidermis, there is long column-like structures bearing cells are situated. अपर एपिडर्मिस के नीचे लंबी लंबी लॉन्ग सेल्स इस मैनर में सिचुएटेड होती हैं और बिल्कुल पास पास होती हैं. ये सेल्स नीचे की ओर होती तो हैं लेकिन दूर दूर होती है, इन गैप, इन दिस मैनर. These cells may be 2-layer or 3-layer also, but they will situated closer to each other. These are long column-like cells and known as palaeocyte. These are also palaeocyte cells but have some gaps between them. Therefore, it is known as spongy mesophyll. Spongy mesophyll and palaeocyte combinedly known as mesophyll. All of the cells of mesophyll bears green color dots. These green color dots are known as chlorophyll. ग्रीन डॉट्स कौन है? क्लोरोफिल. There is a central vein. Look at this structure. This is a central vein of a leaf. It is also known as midrib. Midrib is nothing. Midrib is a tube-like structure which only contain xylem and phloem. Thus, we have to draw a xylem and phloem combinedly here in this manner, and xylem and phloem combinedly known as vascular bundle. What is vascular bundle? Vascular bundle is xylem and phloem. Upper epidermis and lower epidermis both forms the surface of leaf. Upper epidermis have a thin extra layer that is in this manner. This thin layer is known as cuticle. This cuticle may be present at lower surface also in some plants. There is no need to mention on both sides of cuticle. You can mention on one side in an easy way. These palaeocytes or spongy mesophyll can be filled up here also in this manner. After it, at the lower surface or lower epidermis, there are some pores situated in this manner. These pores are stomata. Stomata are tiny pores situated on the lower and upper both surface of the leaf. They participate in transpiration of water and gaseous exchange. There are only two functions of stomata in the worlds of the leaves. First, transpiration of water, second is exchange of gases, that is taking of O2 and CO2 both and releasing of O2 and CO2 both. This complete structure is known as cross section of leaf. Thank you.